Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of data science in a way that everyone can understand. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, this video will help you grasp the basics of data science. Let's get started. Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. Think of it as a way to turn raw information into valuable knowledge. In our digital age, we generate massive amounts of data every day. Data science helps us make sense of this data, enabling better decision-making, predicting trends, and even automating tasks. From healthcare to finance, data science is revolutionizing how industries operate. Data collection, gathering data from various sources like surveys, sensors, or online activity. Data cleaning, ensuring the data is accurate and removing any errors or duplicates. Data analysis, using statistical methods to understand patterns and trends in the data. Machine learning, training algorithms to make predictions or decisions based on data. Data visualization, presenting data in a visual context like charts or graphs to make it easier to understand. Programming languages, Python and R are popular for their ease of use and powerful libraries. Data visualization tools. Tools like Tableau and Power BI help create intuitive visualizations. Machine learning libraries. Libraries like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn make it easier to build and deploy models. Healthcare. Predicting patient outcomes and improving treatment plans. Finance. Detecting fraudulent transactions and managing risks. Marketing. Personalizing customer experiences and optimizing marketing campaigns. Data science is a powerful tool that is shaping the future. By understanding its basics, you can appreciate how data-driven decisions are made in various fields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Info Guruji for more tech insights. Join our community by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Visit our website for more in-depth articles and tutorials on data science and other tech topics.